Hi, my name is Kayleen and I'm here in the BB Garage for Maintenance Monday. Today I want to show you how to silence noisy chair knobs. So if you are unscrewing your knobs and they're really noisy, they squeak a lot, this one's not too bad, all you need is some silicone spray. So let's go ahead and unscrew your knob all the way. Carefully let the handle slide down. And then take your silicone and spray some on the threads. Wipe up the excess, and then line up the handle holes and reinsert your knob. Should be really quiet now. There you go.